Lifesaver smoke alarms, especially hybrid models like KN Cosm IBX, commonly trigger false alarms due to dust, steam, or low batteries. Common causes include dust from construction or cleaning, steam from showers or cooking, and low battery power. To identify the cause, ask yourself, is there steam from a shower or cooking? Has there been recent construction causing dust, or is it emitting short beeps indicating a low battery? Once identified, take action immediately to resolve the issue. For dust or steam issues, vacuum the alarm's vents using a soft brush attachment. Alternatively, use compressed air to clear particles from the sensing chamber. For low battery warnings, replace the battery with a fresh alkaline or lithium battery. Clean any corroded contacts using a pencil eraser to ensure good connection. Avoid overuse of the hush feature. It's designed as a temporary fix for minor irritants, not a permanent solution. Use it only for confirmed false alarms. If false alarms persist after these fixes, consider replacing the unit, as Lifesaver alarms have a lifespan of about 10 years. Regular maintenance and correct usage are key to preventing false alarms. Consider upgrading to hardwired models with battery backup to reduce dependency on batteries and enable smart features for remote diagnostics.